They've forgotten about it so much that they've had to put a little guide to it so that people remember it's there. Are you excited, Mike? Because this was Mike's idea. He wanted to do this. I've never done it either. So we'll see what there is to see. I just want to get my passport stamped. The Forgotten World Highway is a heritage trail which runs 148 kilometres from Stratford to Taumaranui, or you can do it in reverse. Over there, there's the golf cart people. You can cruise on golf carts up and down the railway line. So we've got to stop and look for golf carts on the railway line. That's quite funny. Nothing coming just yet, but I want to see some. I think it'd be neat to see them. So we just turn off the main road and we're coming up around here, and then it turns into a gravel road. The main road would continue on around here. So we kind of like the off the beaten track roads a little bit more. This section of road is supposed to be gravel, but it looks like they've parceled it and the map's a bit old. So if you're coming this way, definitely worth a little detour. So this Mike, this is
it's worth
beautiful.
coming around this way.
Oh,
There's a railway over there, so.
Oh yeah, so we've just gone over the railway. Over to let a car go by, and he pulls up right in front of us and we're like,
Oh no!
oh no, what does he want? Is he going to rob us? And he just thought we wanted him to pull over because he must have thought we were in trouble or something. So it was nice of him. This was a great little detour and not a gravel road in sight. So we're back onto the main road now. State Highway 43.
Forgotten highway. So we're at the top of the hill, and this is what a saddle is. So we've got the ridge line up behind us and in front of us, and to our right we've got a drop off, and to our left we've got another drop off. So this is like a saddle. That's why it's called a saddle.
Saddle that we're just at. Mike put his drone up, and no sooner than he got it up, over in the middle of nowhere, it started going, low battery warning, return to home. And then he didn't know which way it was facing and he couldn't get it home. So what happened, Mike?
Well, I press the home button and it come home.
Goats all the way along here, right along the railway line, on the side of the road. I don't know why there's so many goats on the loose. Cute though.
Wow.
We just come into the Republic of Whangamomona. Now why is it a republic, Mike?
Well, several years ago the local councils decided to change the boundaries. I think Whangamomona was actually on the border, so they decided to call themselves a republic, to be independent of both councils.
So they've had some interesting presidents. One was a goat and another one was a poodle. It's because they're the only things that turned up for the elections at the time, so they got voted in. So I've just arrived in Whangamomona, and there's a pub over there. We thought we might go and see if we can get some lunch. pretty cool. Got my passport stamp. Probably going to invalidate it whenever I go anywhere now, but...
Sorry, Joe. I
What?
think that invalidates it. In this shop here, there's lots of goodies imported from New Zealand.
Because we aren't actually in New Zealand right now, we're in Whangamomona. That was a nice little place to stop for lunch in the Republic of Whangamomona. We had some nachos, they were delicious. Now we're just heading on. I just tooting along the forgotten highway, just at a slow speed. It's actually nice, isn't it, going slow like this?
I don't know how you can actually drive these roads at 100 kilometres an hour, which is the speed limit.
I know it's comfortable for me anyway. I hate being a passenger and someone's hooning around corners.
Look at that view.
Just heading down a dirt track. We don't know what's there, we'll find out. Something about a ghost town, that sounds cool, doesn't it? So pretty through here. Sometimes we find dirt roads take you to some of the best places. I wonder if this will be one of those times, Mike. And another run lane bridge. All the cows on the road. Right, wake them up. Hello. Hello, everybody. Morning, afternoon. Hello. Did we wait for you? Sorry. Okay, bye. Oh, that was sweet. Little cows on the road. Just seen a tunnel from the side of the road, so I'm just going to get up and have a look. Whoa, look at that. Cool. So if you do that go-kart thing along the railway lines, they come along here and come through all these tunnels. There's like apparently lots and lots of tunnels. Oh, here they come. That was way cool. I want to do that. Oh, here comes another one.
Past the point of no return, baby, on the summer night. A shot of love and a spark of love to breathe. The stars align and the month times night burn like a dried out leaf. Are we leaving on the next?
That was really neat seeing the golf carts go through the tunnel. It was just really good timing. Well, we found the ghost town. It's pretty exciting. I think there might be a campground here too.